Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. This is Sakshi and I'm the owner and founder of Sassyplannernerd. Um, a big word. So today I'm coming at you with a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks planner. I'm using this kit from my shop called Efflorescent. It's a floral kit and I really like the way it turned out. I recently formatted my Hobonichi kits to this new format. I specifically designed them to fit them in the clear cover of the Hobonichi that I bought along with the planner. I showed you earlier in the video how it fits in the planner cover. So, those who don't know what a Hobonichi Weeks planner is, like me in 2019, so that was the year. So this is a planner which became quite famous in 2019, and almost everyone in the planner community got themselves a Hobonichi Weeks. So I was craving one as well. So the starting of the decade, like 2020 was the start of the decade. So I thought, why not? Why not get myself one too? So I got myself this Hobonichi Weeks along with my friends. So the four of us bought them together so that we would split the shipping as well as the custom fees. I specifically got this planner so that I would be able to make stickers for Hobonichi Weeks, and I really like making stickers for Hobonichi Weeks. Lately, that's all I'm doing, making stickers for the Hobonichi Weeks. Hopefully, I'll be able to make some new stickers for other planners as well, like Erin Condren. Speaking of which, I'm having a sale in my shop for the weekly kits for the Erin Condren. So if you're interested, you can buy them for the whole kit. I'm asking only for $10, and which is like crazy deal. This is because I'm reformatting the weekly kits, and I won't be offering these particular kits in the shop after a week or two. So if you really want to try out this particular format of the stickers, you can do so. The link of the Etsy shop is down below in the description box. So yeah, do check them out. So what I like to do in my planner is I like to put these sticky notes, which I specifically made like 7 sticky notes, put 7 sticky notes in the kit so that you would be able to put one for each day. And I like to put them in the right side of the right page of the planner, so that I can put a highlight of the day every single day, a highlight or a top priority, if you will. So on Monday it was a design day because I had to release some stickers the next day, and then I put this 3 heart checklist from the kit and put all my to-do lists, and then I used this cute little coffee girl which is quite tired and kind of exhausted, and she is having having a cup of coffee, which was totally me on Monday. And I like to mark this Coffee Monday. It's nothing but just marking coffee, and there's this tradition, if you will, in this planner community that you mark Coffee Monday on Monday, because Monday is really for other people, for people like who are working, like it's a big day, Monday blues and all. Not for me though, but still sometimes Monday gets to me as well. Then I use this laptop icon from the kit and put the listings, put that I had to work on some listings from the shop. Then moving on to Tuesday, I put this meal icon and the mini label from the kit, and put that we had rajma chawal that day. My sister made rajma and it was so delicious, and my mom made kulcha. I did forget to put that. It's just that there was no room to put that, so yeah. And then I did some drawing for the custom stickers custom orders that I got that day for $2 Tuesday. That was the day when I released this kit as well as the moon phases of moon kit in the new format for $2, and it was quite a successful $2 Tuesday, and I'm really glad. I wish I would film the whole week of the plan with me, because the next half of the week was even more exciting, because I, for the first time in quite some time, I fulfilled all the sale orders within the week that it got placed. So yeah, I was so proud of myself for doing that. I was scared. I was actually very scared that I won't be able to ship them out the next week. That's why I hurried myself and did complete all the orders on time, actually way before time. Moving on, I put this camera doodle sticker from Plan Form Happy to mark that I had to film this plan with me that you're watching. Then I went on and put this list of things that I wanted to do during this week. I specifically put this list because because this was a scary week, and I wanted to make sure I gave my time to the things that needed my attention, and not waste my time stressing about things that I can't change. Just do my part and stay home, stay safe, maintain social distancing. So yeah, that was my part, and I did my part, and I hope you guys are doing your part as well, and staying home, staying safe. We got this. We just need to be patient. And I hope you guys like this plan with me video. Let me know what you guys think of this video in the comments down below, and I'll definitely come with the next video. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.